Hey, good morning. Chuck here with appledrains. Today let's take a look at a short video showing you how to install a pop-up emitter or a grate. If you use a grate, take a look at this. It's really a great little short video. Be sure to watch tomorrow morning, New Year's Day. I'll post a video about 6 a.m. and Eastern time, and this is a complete how-to. It's probably one of the best videos to show everything that's needed to truly solve a drainage problem where there's a flood in the backyard, flood in the front yard, all of the above. And this is the best system to install, guaranteed 100% that this will solve your problem. So take a look tomorrow morning. Out here at the street, what we found was whoever installed this, see all the mud that came out of here? See all that sand? They installed, see that? They installed a downspout extension. That's not corrugated pipe, it's just a downspout extension. Do not use this stuff. And it just kind of dead-ended right here. Let me show you what a downspout extension is if you don't know. The neighbors have one. Those are downspout extensions, and they really aren't that strong. You know, they really collapse a lot. Things, it's not just pipe to be used underground. And you really shouldn't use it at all. Okay, to make this repair, we're going to use a piece of 4-inch thin wall PVC, and we're going to adapt that to the corrugated. We had to dig that back far enough that we could pull out that old downspout extension. And basically, I'm just going to use a coupling, and we're going to snap this together. You see the coupling? That snaps onto the ADS corrugated, and then the 4-inch PVC will slide right inside there. It's a very tight fit, and it holds extremely well. And once we do this, we're going to backfill it, cover it up, and it's going to look just like new. It's really an easy repair, something that you could easily do yourself, or if you're ending your own drain, this is the best way to do that. Use a grate, put a screw in it, and you're ready to go. I'm going to dig this out just a little bit more. It's a little high. So let's dig that out. Perfect. Perfect fit. Now let's get some dirt back on there. Really, the soil holds all this in place. Those couplings are tight, but the soil is holding everything in place. And then we'll put a grate here. Remember that we always try to put a set screw in here because this is the sump pump line, and also 2 downspouts, so half of the house and the sump pump. And it would just push this thing right off of here. So we want to put a set screw in there. So for right now, let's backfill. Do this. Get this dirt back on here first. So yeah, looking really good. We'll clean that up and we'll cut that sod to fit around it. Let's go on we have one more repair. I'm gonna take you over there. Okay, it's time to go on to the next job. Just thought I'd post a little live video for you. Sorry about the noise. Can you see the airplanes? Almost everywhere around Orlando, you're gonna hear the airport. That's Sanford Airport, not Orlando International. But you're gonna hear airplanes. This is travel season. Welcome to Florida. Hey, this is Chuck with appledrains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.